Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, we're going to do a review of the Mongoose Ledge 2.1 26-inch tire, 21 speed bike. I bought this one for my daughter about a week ago. I got it put together. She's had the chance to ride it a few times since, and I've had the opportunity to ride it once myself as well. And I just wanted to share with you some of the things that I noticed about this bike. First thing I want to say is, man, is it tough to find a 26-inch bike right now? I think bikes in general are very hard to come by right now and sell out almost instantly. We got this one from Walmart. I think after tax, it was roughly $165. It wasn't in stock, so I signed up for the in-stock alerts, and I would get emails on this, and within less than 10 minutes, I'd be to the website trying to buy it, and it was already sold out again. So finally, I was able to get it, and it shipped to my home for free because it was over whatever their free shipping threshold was. For the most part, it came pretty much assembled. Like the brakes were already assembled. You had to put on the tire, the pedals, the seat, the handlebars you had to adjust. Then you kind of had to fine tune everything. But yeah, let's check it out here really quick. So, all right, guys, here is the front of the bike. So the front tire did not come assembled. When you get this, it's easy enough to attach to the frame. The problem was right here on each side. The brakes were already installed, so the brake pads were pushed in so far that you couldn't fit the tire through. So I had to adjust the brakes and loosen them up so I could fit the tire through. I'll show how to adjust the brakes in a separate video here, for those of you looking for it. But basically, it's this nut right here. We'll loosen this cord, and that will let the brakes release a little bit from where they're at and be able to fit the tire through. I tried letting the air out of the tire and pinching it to get it through, but it didn't work. So, okay, let's move on to the handlebar area here of the bike. Oh, I wanted to mention on the front here, something that's really cool too is it's got this shock system, as you can see there. So when you go over curbs and different things, it helps absorb the shock and make it a much smoother ride. So that's a pretty cool feature that this bike has. All right, guys, so on the handlebar area of the bike, on the left side, you got like an L, an M, and an H. I'm assuming that stands for like low, medium, and high, or something similar to that. But those are your three different selections on this side. And then over on the right side, you got 7 different gears, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So when you multiply that by the 3 different choices on this side, you get your 21 speeds. From my daughter riding this a handful of times for a week, and then me doing it as well, I can tell you it shifts into gear just fine, and it doesn't seem to be any issues there yet. So you can get it into all the gears pretty easy, and it's not too bad, and it switches pretty easy. The left one here is the front brakes, and then the right one here is the rear brakes. Yeah, it's got a little reflector on there as well too. So, okay, let's check out some other stuff here really quick. All right, guys, so here's the seat area of the bike. It's a nice seat. It's pretty firm. It hasn't, my daughter thinks it's fine. When I rode it, it didn't bug me. If you're doing a ton of riding, you could think about like a gel seat cover or a different seat, but it's a nice seat. It didn't bug me at all. It's just a little firm. So if you do like a ton of riding, it could bother you over time. The adjustment to have the seat go up and down is this lever right here. You just pull it out, and then the seat can go up and down. On the bar, there is a marking, like on the seat bar here, there's a marking that tells you the minimum distance the bar has to be in the frame. So just pay attention to that, to make sure that you have it down as far as it needs to go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We had to tighten it up a little bit, because the seat was, just moving back and forth as she was riding, making it, not so fun. So, but that was easy to do. You just, literally when you pull this out, you just twist it, and that tightens it until you get it to a place where it's tight enough that you can actually close it. And now the seat's in there nice and firm. Here's the back area of the bike, you know, where the chain's all set up. You know, it has the little lever down here. If the chain pops off, you can push this lever forward here and it gives some slack in the chain so you can get it back on the gears there. Shimano, I think that's, you know, pretty much the standard in this stuff. That was a brand that was around when I was a kid. It's a you know, a good company. And like I said, as far as shifting this thing, everything seems to work really easy and good like it should. And then it also has the another reflector back here, which is nice. The more the better. It's got one in the back tire, one in the front tire. And then another part that didn't come assembled is the pedals there. But they were really easy. You just twist those onto the pedal bar. So yeah, even more reflectors, guys, on both sides of the pedal, on both sides of the bike. I mean, that's great. This thing has reflectors everywhere. Make sure that, you know, you can help be seen when you're out and about. All right, guys, well, what do I think about this bike? I think for the price, you can't beat it. You know, Mongoose is a great brand that's been around a long time. When I was a kid, Mongoose was like the brand to have. I'm very happy with this bike. My daughter loves it. It's got all the features you could want in a mountain bike like this, and the price was right. You know, I mean, to be able to buy a bike like this for, it was like roughly $165 after tax, and get it shipped to your house, you can't really beat that. That's a great buy for a great bike. Good luck on your guys' search trying to get these bikes. It's tough. But just keep looking, keep trying, sign up for the in-stock alerts at Walmart. It'll help give you a better chance when they do get in stock. Hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you did. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.